My favorite points to earn are flexible points like the ones I earn from Chase or Amex because I can use them with multiple airlines and hotels, and I'm not restricted to one airline or one hotel. But it's always good to have a couple of airline credit cards. The reason is, just by having an airline credit card, you get benefits similar to entry-level elite status with that airline. Otherwise, you'd probably need to travel 25,000 miles and spend like $3,000 on airfare with the same airline to become an entry-level elite member. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in learning all the tips and tricks for travel hacking and award travel, and I mean who isn't, then please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, you can get my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. The first card I'll talk about is the American Airlines AAdvantage card from Barclays. The reason I picked this one over the Citi AAdvantage card is that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars in the first 3 months to earn the sign-up bonus. All you need is pay the annual fee and make one purchase. So if you apply for the card, buy a bottle of water at a 7-Eleven, then pay your bill in full, which will include the $95 annual fee, you'll automatically earn 50,000 American Airlines miles. The benefits of this card include your first bag being checked for free for you and up to 4 people traveling with you on domestic flights operated by American Airlines. You'll also get early boarding for you and your 4 companions. You'll also get 25% off in-flight purchases like drinks and snacks you buy on the plane, and you'll earn 2 miles per dollar on purchases you make with American Airlines. You'll also get 10% miles back when you redeem your miles for flights up to 10,000 miles per year. Next on the best airline cards is the Delta Gold card from American Express. With this card, you'll earn 30,000 miles after you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. This is only their standard bonus, but many times throughout the year, they offer an increased bonus of 60,000 miles, so I definitely wait until there's a higher offer to apply. Plus, you'll earn a $50 statement credit when you make a Delta purchase within the first 3 months as well. You can trigger the statement credit by simply buying a $50 gift card from Delta, which will never expire and you can use on a Delta flight you purchase anytime in the future. Very similar to the American Airlines card, you'll get 2 miles per dollar on Delta purchases, and you'll get priority boarding and first checked bag for free, and instead of the 25%, you'll get only 20% off on snacks and drinks you buy on a Delta flight. Another similar card to these two is the United Mileage Plus card. This card offers 40,000 miles after you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months. It also offers the benefits of free checked bag and priority boarding. A unique benefit to this card is that every year you have the card, you get 2 United Lounge one-time passes. The last card I'll talk about here today is my favorite airline credit card. It's the JetBlue Plus card. With this card, you'll earn 40,000 miles after you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days of having the card. You'll get the first checked bag for free for you and 3 people traveling with you. You'll get 6 points per dollar on JetBlue purchases, 2 points per dollar on restaurants and grocery store purchases, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. You'll also get 50% off on food and drinks you buy on JetBlue flights, and every year you have the card, you'll get 5,000 points as a bonus for having the card. The unique thing about JetBlue points is that you can book any seat on any flight. You don't need to find award availability like other airline miles. Meaning, if the plane has an empty seat, you can buy it with points just as easy as you can buy it with cash. And the value per point here is about 1.4 cents per point. So the 5,000 points you receive every year are worth about $70 to $75, which covers most of the $99 annual fee. I'll put links in the description for all these cards, so check them out, and I recommend applying for at least one. And if you do a lot of domestic flying, then the JetBlue Plus card is a no-brainer for me. Thank you guys for watching, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.